Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can host your Blazor WebAssembly application on GitHub. For this I'm going to use my new project, and this project is a Blazor WebAssembly standalone application where the application runs directly in the browser using WebAssembly. This approach doesn't require a server-side .NET runtime, and that's make it lightweight and easy to deploy. So let's get started. As you can see in the screen, this is my project I'm going to host now. Now let's go to our Visual Studio. So first thing we need to do is to add base URL in the index.html file. To do this, go to www root folder in your project directory, and from there find out the index.html file and then open it. Now in the head section you will see a base tag, and inside this we have hyperreference attribute. Now we have to update this hyperreference attribute with our GitHub repository URL. Just follow me. So now let's create a new repository on GitHub where we will host this website. For this, go to GitHub and create a new repository. Name it whatever you like. Blazor component communication and data flow, and make sure the repository is public, then create repository. Now from the URL copy your repository name just like me, and go to Visual Studio inside the base section and paste it just here and save it. Next we need to generate a release version of our project. For this I am going to use the .NET CLI. You can open the console or terminal in your project folder and run this simple command: .NET publish -c release and press enter. This command will generate a release version of your Blazor app inside the bin release folder. So this is our release version path. This is the folder with all our published file. Now we have to upload those files into our repository. You can do this different way. Just upload all those files into your repository. So I'm going to create a new repository. Now I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to add a remote directory. In the location I'm pasting the URL. Now here let's set a name, Blazor host, and I'm going to create a new branch and I will name it main, and our local repository will be master. Create, push. Now if I reload this page, see all our file is uploaded. Now we have to create a new file inside this repository. So add file, create new file, just name it .nojackyll, commit changes. This file actually tells GitHub Pages not to ignore file that start with an underscore like .framework, .layout, etc. Now we are almost done. It's time to host the Blazor app using GitHub Pages. So go to setting, go to pages, and in this branch section select main and also select this root. It's already selected, and then press save. Now reload this page. See here the GitHub Pages is in queued. Now under the deployment section, here I have two deployment. Now here we have the live URL. If you click on this URL, it will load the page. And that's it. This is how you can host your Blazor WebAssembly app on GitHub Pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.